ready?
I am.
The official buzz in?
I'm so excited.
Me too.
What does the kitchen mean to me?
Oh, wow.
First of all, I don't think of it as a kitchen in the sense of it's a place to cook and produce food.
Wow. It's stunning.
I always think of it as the living room that we cook in. How would I describe my design philosophy? The words that come to mind are practical and luxury, because I start with the practical aspect by trying to understand how people are going to live in their space and how they're going to use their space. And then we want to make it beautiful and luxurious, not as a byproduct of the practical side of it, but as an enhancement of the functionality of it.
This is your entire space, empty. This is your blank canvas, and it's essentially
The opportunity to collaborate with Williams Sonoma, it's a gift. And I mean that because at the core of, I think, both of our companies is this desire for quality. And I think it's that symbiotic relationship that both of our companies have, which is so exciting for me, is that it will stand the test of time. You know, when I decided to start my own company, it became incredibly important to me that there was no disconnect between the ideas that were in my head and the craftsmanship that was going to be attached to that. And so we make our cabinetry in our own workshop in West Virginia. It never occurred to me to have somebody else make cabinetry for me other than my own team. What we do represents the best of our abilities to do it. So we're making cabinets one at a time. It's not mass produced in any way. We start with raw lumber and then we do everything ourselves. My goal is to be as good as we can be. We do that with attention to detail at every step of the way. So whether it's the design process, then it's the carpentry work on site, then it's the on-site hand-painted finishes that last forever. The attention to detail reveals itself at the end. And then seeing the end result and seeing those people use that space. You know, it started off as a felt tip pen on a piece of paper. And then there it is, kind of like a living and breathing space. I mean, that to me is like priceless stuff. And if we can help with that, we've done our job.